Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about the Facebook Admin Assist, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you use the Facebook Admin Assist? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too much to go over, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know how to use the Facebook Admin Assist anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running your online business using Facebook groups as a marketing method, you know that a lot of the groups are filled with spam or scams. And by setting up your admin assist, it can help you manage that and cut your managing time down from 8 hours down to, 15, 30 minutes. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's actually handled in your Facebook group. So this is a Facebook group that I manage right here. And in order to use the admin assist, what you want to do is click right here, admin assist. It looks, I guess, kind of like a little neutron or something like that. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to bring you here to the admin assist. So you just scroll down and you're going to get to this section here called add or edit criteria. So if you're not familiar with what admin assist is, it's basically an automation program for your Facebook group. So you can set up rules so that way, if something happens, then admin assist will take care of the response. So for example, if somebody posts something with a certain keyword, admin assist will automatically decline that. Or if somebody does something wrong, they can kick them out of the group. So let me go ahead and show you how I use this. So for my admin assist, usually what I use it for is managing posts. So with this particular group that I manage, there's a lot of spam posts that aren't related. So this is a real estate related group. So I get a lot of people in here posting about free food or free cars and things like that. And they are just set up just to steal information or to scam people. So it's split up into different sections. So this is to create posts. This is to manage people. This is to manage posts. And then if you scroll down, this is to manage comments. The chats feature, I don't really use that, so I'm not sure how that works. But for posts, I use this a lot. So what I normally do is I'll click right here on decline incoming post if, and then you're going to click on add, this blue button. Okay, make sure you're working in the right section. So right here at the top it says decline incoming posts if, and then you can set up these rules. So for me, I set up keywords in post. Okay, and then what you want to do is post has certain keywords. Okay, so here is a long list of keywords that if they show up in the post, it's automatically going to be declined. So for example, since this is a real estate related group, there's no reason why anyone would say turkey or maybe Honda Accord or Bitcoin or ducks cleaning. So while some of these are real estate related, the majority of these types of posts that come through on this particular group are just scams or spam. So I put the keywords right here. So that way, if someone types this into their group, it's automatically going to be declined. Now I realize that something like chimney cleaning could possibly be somebody real. However, the problem is that I get so many spam posts about chimney cleaning that are just scam. So it's worth it for me to go ahead and use the Facebook admin assist to block anything that is related to chimney cleaning, because out of 500 different posts, one of them might be real, but the majority of them are fake. And then to have to go through and delete each one of those is just too time consuming. So I'd rather just go ahead and block that keyword. So that's the first way that I use admin assist. And let me go back. Okay, another way that I use it is if the author has had their Facebook account for 1 month or less. Now, I do realize that there are real accounts that were just created 1 month ago, but the same thing applies if there's 500 accounts that were created 1 month ago and they're trying to post on my group. Most likely they're spam. There's going to be 1 or 2 that are real, but they're going to get declined. And unfortunately, that's just the way that works, because I can't go through every day and delete 500 posts from fake accounts. So let me scroll down a little bit more. Okay, so comments is a big one also. So the way that I use this is same thing. If the author has had their Facebook account for 1 month or less, they cannot comment on the Facebook group. Also, if the comment has certain keywords, you want to go ahead and put that in there, because if they're not able to post, sometimes they'll go ahead and just go into the comments and put their spam. So I put the keywords in here. So for example, air ducts, if somebody decides to go ahead and put that into a comment, it's going to be declined. So let me go ahead and save the criteria. So for this particular group that I have, I mostly just use it for posts or comments. So depending on what type of group you might have, you might end up using it for managing a chat if you allow that in your groups, or if you need to suspend people in your group. So depending on what type of group you have, you'll have to go through these one by one. Now it is kind of time consuming because you have to go through and decide on who you're going to block, who you're not going to block. But the nice thing is once you have that set up or those rules set up, it's automatically taken care of in the background. You're not even going to see it. So as you can see right here, I have 1 pending approval. This used to be 500 approvals I have to go through. And by approving a post, it's not really going to take that much time, but if you multiply it by 500 or 1,000, it just really consumes too much time. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what admin assist is for your Facebook groups, that's the easiest way that I know how to use it. If you know a better way to use admin assist in your Facebook group, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.